Alright, well, we did some transferring yesterday. I'll come out here and see how everything's doing. Lettuce looks like it's struggling. A few of them seem to have taken okay, but the lettuce right here. Carrots right here seem to have really, they seem to be doing good. Squashes over there, looks like it's taken pretty well. A single cucumber and a single corn. Wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to put all these out. And these are okra here. Those look pretty good. And our onions, lots of onions. They look okay. So just a quick update. Still got quite a few more. Just didn't have time to do it all yesterday. But we'll be working on that the rest of the week, and maybe we can get those out. I hear you, Chicken Little. It's gonna be hard to get any eggs. They appear to all be in here. Yep. Hey, Sue. All right. So we will can't retrieve eggs at the moment. Chicken Little. Just a ruling the roost. All right. Maybe I'll have another garden update for you in a couple days once I get those transplanted. We still have cantaloupe, tomatoes, and that may be about it. Broccoli, cantaloupe, tomatoes, and broccoli. This okra really, I think it liked its new soil better than the tray. Check back for more updates here in a day or so.